All right. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Coming to you live with a market update. It is what is this? February, second week of February. And I want to come in here and pretty much give my opinion, give my perspective on what's going on in the marketplace. Once again, now as you can see on the right here, these are a few different assets that I try to keep up with. I'm not necessarily trading all of them, but I like to keep my eye on them. And for starters, I'm always looking at the big dog, DXY, the dollar, the American dollar. Okay. And let's jump right into it. We're going to start from a high time frame today, the monthly chart. Okay. And for me, I like to look at a detailed monthly chart. So for me, that's a 3 week chart. Go down. Okay. As you can see here, let's jump back to the monthly. This is the first thing that's catching my eye right now. This huge rally out, this candle rally, base rally. Okay. Price has come down and hit the open of the leg out. Okay. It's pushing out of here. You also got these EMAs down here that are starting to act up as well. Now, if I go to the detail chart, you see that same pattern: rally, base, rally, and price. Okay. Also, coming back to current price, I see this bearish engulfing candle here that was formed a few weeks ago. We have come back up into the open of it. So at this point, I want to throw my markups back on here, and I hope this doesn't confuse you. There's a lot of stuff going on here. Okay, boom. These are areas that I've been interested in, that I've been watching on the American dollar. I like to time my trades with the zones of the American dollar on the other assets, and I'll explain that. So again, this is a 3 week chart. You'll see these boxes highlighted. These are areas of interest for me. Okay. As price has been dropping for the American dollar, I was waiting for it to come down into this zone. All right. Now I'm gonna go to a smaller time frame to show why it's highlighted as it is here. This is rally, base, rally, and price. Okay. These terms that I'm mentioning, you learn this in the course. Rally, base, rally, and price. This is a demand zone. Okay. Let's go down to a weekly chart. Same asset. Inside of that 3 week, you see this weekly. Okay, you see this here. This 1, 2, 3 candles. This is another pattern that I look for. This is a demand zone. This is a buy pattern. This is a drop, base, rally, and price. Okay. I think my mouse is acting up a little bit. Drop, base, rally, and price. Okay. Price comes down, it hits the base and immediately rejects it, immediately pushes up. Second week, it hits it and pushes up again. Okay. Let's blow this up just a little bit. So as you can see, it comes, let me draw this as nice as I can here. There. Price comes, hits, pushes up, hits, pushes up. The third week, it actually blows through it. Right? Blows through it, but it does not close below it. Comes right back up to make what? A bullish engulfing candle, signaling buy pressure. Also, you see this trend line here coming down. If I go to a daily chart, drop down. This is just, I know it blew through it at a couple of points, but I see ultimately that it was testing this line the whole way down. And as you can see, they finally made a nice buy pattern blowing through it. Okay. This was the first one. They came back and smoked this though, right? This is another one here. Drop, base, rally, and price. Maybe they come down and hit this, they start pushing up again. Okay. The point is, whatever direction the dollar is going, all these other assets typically are going the other way. There's typically an inverse correlation with most assets when it comes to the American dollar. And the simple psychology behind that is you're buying everything with dollars. When you say, hey, I want some Bitcoin, well, you're going to trade your American dollars for those Bitcoins. So that's what causes the imbalance in the market. So for now, as you can see, there's been a lot of consolidation these past few days. This is a daily chart. Now, just like the detailed monthly chart, there's a detailed daily chart. For me, it is a 23-hour chart. I talk about this a lot. All right. You can see you get a little more detail out of these candles. This is the daily. This is the detail daily.